Hey everyone, welcome to my channel.
The stock analyst.
So in this video I'm going to talk about ticker symbol SVFD, and thank you Zip Trader because he talked about the stock I think Thursday night, and normally when he talks and he finds good stock, the next morning it pops. Not saying like he pumps, but actually he brings good stock and it gets the volume, it moves. So it was on our watch list in the morning, right? And you can see that the stock went up 53%. It's still looking good, it's still looking good. So that's why I'm making this video. And we played SVFD last Friday. You can see that even though we had some other big movers, but that thing we played actually for 30%, right? Because our entry was around $1, and the highest move, like when I made it, it was 1.3, but actually it went to 1.6. In that case, the move was actually even bigger, 60%. So how we played that, how we can play this again, in this video I'm going to talk about this. Okay, you can see that like before the market open, our idea was deep entry at 1, and our profit target was around 1.3 and 1.6. So it actually came to $1. At the same time it hit 1.6. And if you want to join my Discord where I give dated alert, you just need to go to patreon.com. Let me show you the link here. So patreon.com/slash the stock analyst, go there, sign up for different package I have, and you will get access to Discord. Okay, so first of all, like if you look at the stock, the float is not very big, 3.96 million. So it's a small float stock, and when a small float stock gets lots of volume, so you know what happens. So I'm going to show you the volume that it got last Friday. You can see huge volume, almost like 24 million volume compared to no volume at all. So it was clearly, the move was based on the volume. Okay, in terms of short interest, I don't see anything specific. It is just based on the volume this thing is moving. So if I go back to the chart now, and if you see the two blue line, this is the uptrend. It is making, this is the line, it is making higher low, at the same time it is making higher high. So that's an uptrend. As long the trend is active, this thing can go up, right? Now if I just zoom here, you can also see that the line here, it is trying to hold this 1.1 line. If it can hold 1.1, this thing can go even higher. Also note, actually it went to 1.67 after hours, so this thing can really run. So we are keeping an eye on 1.1 and also $1. And again I said $1, you see it has some kind of support around $1. And if I go back to an hourly chart, I see it can still move all the way. If it can break 1.6 area, it can move all the way to 2.1. Then after 2.1 it can go towards 2.7 or maybe $3, 3.2. And yeah, you see the chart, right? It has lots of potential because it was around like 6.25. From there it came to 70 cent. So I see some opportunity for day trading. From 1.6 it can go to 2.1, then 2.7 easily. Okay, and that's why we always make a plan. So if you want to date it with us, just come join us, because before the market open we come up with our trade ideas with different ticker symbol, your entry, exit, target. And when the market opens, if something is right at the support and if something is running, I just say take profit at 22%, sometime 40%, even sometime maybe 69% in BTX. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on is VFD. This is looking good. After hour it was little down, but still it is looking really good. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.